Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to trim a circle. So you can create new design. I will go to plan view and you can draw circle. Now if you want to trim this circle, we need to create for the trimming object. You can use the line tools as the object. I will click start from this point into here. Now to trim, you can click these icons, trim away, and you can select the edge to trim. You can click to cut like this. I will trim again at these lines and also in here. So you can create again for the trimming object by using the line tools. And then use these tools to trim the selected entities. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to trim a circle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.